Today I will show you how to install apps on MacBook, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is navigate to the desktop of your MacBook. To show you how to install these applications on your MacBook in detail, I would like to use an example of an app that I want to download myself. The first thing we want to do is we're going to go to the browser and we're going to find the official website of the app that we want to download. Once we type the name of the app and we include free download, we're going to look for this is not the actual app, this is the app website. So we're going to find that. And once we find it, now it says we have a try for free here. So we can click here, accept all, and we can click on the version that we want to try for free. Once we click on it, so for most of the applications that you're going to download, it's going to ask you to either download for Windows or for Mac. Since we have a Mac, we're going to choose Mac. And if you can see here, you can see that it's already downloading. Now it's done downloading, and I'm going to click on this, and you can see it has a download assistant. Once we click on this, it's going to ask us to want to open up the application downloader, and once we open, you should get a similar application running to install your application. You click on next, you accept, and then you install. And just like that, you've been able to install an application on your Mac. Now, if you want to look for the application, it's just as simple as going to the top here where you see the magnifying glass. You click on it and then you search for the application, and just like that, you're going to be able to load up the application on your screen, and you can do what you want with the application. Now that's how to install apps on MacBook. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.